Hi, we're back. When did we last do a vlog? And then before that it was in like March. So we're a little behind. A lot behind. But yeah, there's a lot of people here. You can see. We're at Happy 4th of July. We're at fireworks, and once the sky gets much darker and the music is over, we are going to be watching fireworks. So, and that lasts about 2 minutes of the 2 hours we're here. I've been doing this since I was like 5, and this is Brianna's second year. So, what do you have to say about this, Bri?
Well, it's fun. Sitting, watching, eating.
Yeah. We had cotton candy and cookies and chicken. Chicken and a biscuit. Go to Busquets. We have these awesome fans because it's hot. Nutcracker on one side, and then a holiday on the other side.
It's not even winter.
It isn't, and it says sign up for December, so it's interesting.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a lot of people here. A lot. So, yeah. If I edit this video and don't just straight post it, I might put some of the fireworks up, but chances are I'll do 2 videos because I really don't want to edit. Alright. In the words of Christina Horner. Bye, YouTube.